Internet Computer or ICP has been doing extremely well in the last couple of weeks and is up nearly 250% in the last year and 50% in the last 7 days. So ICP is currently sitting at $14.04 with a market cap of just under $6.4 billion. Quickly, if you do not know what ICP actually is, it claims it is a blockchain that incorporates a radical rethink of blockchain design powered by innovations in cryptography. ICP has been pumping as transactions spike 37%. So ICP is a layer 1 blockchain designed for Cloud 3.0, and ICP has spiked more than 180% in the last 30 days, breaking just over $13 on December 31st. Now transactions on the ICP protocol have jumped more than 37% as daily volume reached $802 million. So going into price action, now ICP is currently sitting at just over $14 at 14.04 USD cents and has seen a little bit of a local high start to be formed. If we have a look at the chart, we can see that that $15 mark has seen seem a little bit testing for ICP recently. It's wicked there twice now and has obviously rejected. Now the thing with ICP is it's done this multiple times before in past movements. Looking at the past movements, we can see that ICP actually really loves to test these highs and then sort of bounce off. So it's got a lot of volatility recently. Looking at $10, it spiked nearly 3 times, reaching over $10 before it eventually had a massive breakout, and that's what I think is going to continue to happen for ICP. Now obviously the overhead target is going to be that $15 mark, so it looks like for now, at least on the 15-minute chart, we're going to see ICP correct just a little bit towards $13 or range between $13 and $14 before we see that massive breakout again at $15. So that would see a decrease of around 7% from where we are. Now going forward, I think ICP will break out of $15 just because the momentum looks really strong right now and people are sort of starting to wake up. So for the meantime, in the next couple of days, I imagine ICP will see $13 quite soon and then retest that $15 mark. Now whether it comes back up and breaks out of $15 is also going to be a different problem entirely, but I think it's easily going to test at least one more time before it breaks out. Now if you guys see it test $15, that could be an opportunity for a little scalp on the short. However, I would not be shorting ICP right now just because it has a lot of momentum, and sometimes you just have to respect momentum, right? And obviously the uptrend on the 1-day chart, if we have a look and zoom out, is very high. It's really just done some sort of crazy things even for crypto. Having a look at the 1 day, we can see that towards the end of December, it hit a local high of $12 and then rejected down to just over 8.7, and then we saw a breakout of this bull flag. If we saw some kind of movement like that again, which looks likely at this point, it would see us range between low 12.5 to that $14 mark before we see a massive push upwards towards over $15, and it looks like the next target will probably be around about 17 to 17.5 US dollars. And then overhead target is going to be that $20 mark. It's going to be a huge milestone for ICP if we can reach that, especially because it's a round number. People are sort of going to start taking profits at $12, similar to what we saw at $10. So $12 is really going to be $20, sorry, is really going to be the overhead next target. That's going to be really important. So if you guys want to hop into ICP, I would really suggest looking towards setting orders at 13 and 12.5 USD, and then taking profits at anywhere between 15 to 20 US dollars. But that was a quick video on ICP. If you want to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.